Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade from lemon juice. Combine 1 cup lemon juice and 1 cup sugar in a pitcher, then dissolve with a little warm water. Add 4 cups cold water and ice, stir gently, and taste. If it's too tart, add more sugar 1 tablespoon at a time, or add more water to dilute until it's perfectly balanced and bright. To sweeten evenly, make a simple syrup by heating 1 cup sugar with 1 cup water until dissolved, then cool. Stir syrup into lemon juice and adjust slowly, tasting as you go. Try honey or maple syrup for a deeper flavor, but reduce amounts slightly since they taste sweeter. For low sugar, use a sugar substitute with a 1-to-1 guidance or add a splash of sparkling water for perceived sweetness without more sugar. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks that last, because life's too short for cheap socks, and their lifetime warranty is great for busy home cooks on their feet. I've been surprised how much a comfortable pair helps during long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavor boosters to keep lemonade interesting and seasonal. Muddle a few mint leaves gently before adding to release aroma without bitterness. Blend in strawberries or peaches for a fruit-forward pitcher and strain if you prefer smooth texture. Zest a lemon into the mix for a fragrant citrus oil lift or add a splash of ginger syrup for warm spice. Serve over lots of ice and garnish for a professional touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.